She's weird.
This is cool.
John, who's weird? Oh yeah, who's weird? They're participating in my live premiere. Mom made me a panini sandwich.
That's
Thanks,
my meal
Mom.
prep.
From her meal prep from the freezer.
From the freezer.
Guys, it is now the next day, and we are, well, I'm in the car. I'm waiting for everyone else to come in. We're going out for John's birthday. We're gonna go have Chinese, so I'm very excited. I'll see you guys there. All right, we just got to the restaurant.
That's from you. Hello.
I know, we haven't been here in forever. It's his birthday. The food has started coming. There's a Szechuan beef, and there's the honey walnut shrimp. Delicious. And fried noodles just came too. We ate all our food. How was it, kid?
All gone.
I'm gonna show you what Mom is making in the kitchen because it looks delicious. We spent a long morning working on her office, which I promise I'm gonna show you guys eventually one of these days.
Oh my god.
But what is this called, Mom? Like a clam
shrimp. Bake.
Hold on, there's gonna be a recipe for you guys too, so get excited.
There's a recipe.
There's gonna be a recipe. It's called sheet pan shrimp boil.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me, I got a hiccup.
We're going to add more.
We're gonna add more sausages, I think.
That's enough. What do you think? Yeah.
Some people only like sausages, aka John and the kids. But I'm gonna have the recipe for you guys up on the website. itsHadrian.com. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, you will have that up there, and you'll also know how delicious this is because I don't know, I'm just showing them. But we're using the sausages that we got from Costco. I already threw out the top. This is what we use, the Polish sausage. These are from Costco, right, Mom? Or Sam's? Yeah, Costco. These are from Costco, so screen cap this. Okay, we're super excited for Mom's sheet pan shrimp broil. Trying really hard to say it properly. But it looks delicious. See this? Pour this concoction all over it, and that's it.
This is just butter and what do you call
spices, herbs. It's okay. We're gonna have the recipe, but that looks so good.
All base seasoning.
Ooh. But that's literally all you have to do.
And lots of garlic.
Oh, then you get your hands dirty.
Yeah. You have to, so that everything you have.
Hot dog. That looks delicious.
You have some yumminess.
And then we're gonna put that into the oven at 400 degrees for how long?
Yeah. Just 10 to 15 minutes.
That's it? Wow.
Yeah, we'll see when the shrimp is pink.
Okay. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so.
Yeah. And this one is pre-boiled, so it's kind of like soft already. And also
the potatoes are.
the potatoes.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay.
All right, into the oven we go. Also, check out all Mom's cooking alcohol. Okay, oven time. Woo! Goodbye. Alright, you guys. Just took it out of the oven. It looks so good. Cannot wait to eat. Alright, Mom just added some fresh greens and some lemon. So good. Dad's already chowing down, so you know it's delicious. He's not breathing anymore. Look crazy today. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Guess who I'm with? My Uber driver. And I'm taking him to eat sushi today. Yay! Are you excited, Mr. Uber driver? Yeah. Anyway, we'll see you guys at the restaurant. Time. Alright, here's our first round. John is super excited. And we got more sushi. Our second round of sandwiches. John and I really wanted to get round 3, so we got 2 sushis. Come on, John, eat your last one. Alright, you guys, we left John in the car. Just got to Thrift. Let's run inside and check it out. Okay, I found a super fake Hermes bag for $25. Nice. What is this? L&L leather made in Mexico. Oh, this is that one Michael Kors bag. They lowered it to 20. I feel like it used to be way more than that. It's a belt bag? Okay guys, we are looking through the rest of the bags. There are not a lot, unfortunately. Looks like there's a lot of bags that have been picked over. Found this little Elliot Luca, well, little, it's actually a good size, like hobo bag. And I think this is a fake Prada bag. And it's right next to this fake Hermes bag. Oh yeah, definitely a fake Prada, and it's 75 buckaroos. Let's put that back. This coach is fun, but patent is cracking. This is probably a fake Muse bag. And it is a fake Muse bag. Definitely not a YSL, unfortunately. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. 75 bucks. Cool. Check out this Burberry sweatshirt. It's probably fake, but it's still kind of cool. Is it just me or are these Adidas really cool? They're $75 though. I'm making a second run through of the bags. I found this like fake Givenchy bag. Well, it's not a fake Givenchy, it's kind of like a dupe. I'm pretty sure it's leather. It's $2. It's not in bad shape actually. I just found this. I'm having a hard time deciding if it's real or not. If it's just like really vintage or... But it's interesting. Alright, you guys, got a good little haul of stuff. Let's go home and I'll show you guys what I got. I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up getting today from the Veterans Thrift. So I did get the Dooney and Burke hobo bag. I just love the like the croc emboss on this. I think it's really, really pretty. I did end up also getting this Michael Kors. It's so cool because it looks kind of like a sac de jour, right? Like it's really pretty. I like the chevron pattern, the 3 types of leather that they use. I think that's really pretty. Then I also did get the little Dior makeup bag. I thought this would be cute, like even if none of you guys wanted it, this would be just fun to use to hold like batteries or cables or whatnot. So this is perfect for that. And then I did also get this, the dupe for the Givenchy Pandora in the vegan leather. I think it's really cute, really fun. And we have a lot of Thrift Squad members too that do like the vegan leather, and I want to start picking stuff up like that. And I thought this was a really cute bag, and I really do like the style, especially because I do have this style bag and I love it so much. And yeah, that's what I picked up today from the Veterans Thrift. And with that, I'm going to end today's video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. So much fun today. going to lunch with John, getting sushi, going to the thrift store. That was a ton of fun. We got some pretty good bags. Also, check out the shop. I just updated a ton of stuff in there. And Depop is also actually offering free shipping on orders $50 or more starting on Sunday. Now, I don't exactly know how long it's going to be running for. I'm hoping it's going to run for at least a few days, hopefully at least until Monday. But if you see anything, Sunday is your day. $50 or more is going to be free shipping. So, of course, I wanted to do a little sale as well. So, it's going to be 20% off your entire purchase and if your order is $50 or more after the discount's been applied, then you get free shipping. I'm gonna discount everything already in the shop that I can by 20%. It doesn't allow me to discount new things. So if you see anything that doesn't have the yellow tag on there and it's discounted 20% already, just message me and I will have to manually discount it for you. And, oh yeah, all that info is gonna be down in the description box below and also on Depop if you have any questions. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye! Magic the Gathering. This guy looks like, what's that TV show? Not Game of Thrones, but like that new one. My brain's not working. Comment down below if you guys know what it is. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's not one TV show. It's really good. I think it's on Netflix. The Witcher. There you go. That's what he looks like. He looks like The Witcher.